What's up, Tech Nation? You guys ready? We're doing another website today. We want to show you a website. It's one of my, I would call, secret websites. A lot of you do production. A lot of you are producing stuff, whether you need music or After Effects or pictures. Everybody knows iStock Photo. You've gone there and they're super expensive ever since the Getty Museum bought them out. Do you remember those ribs on the side of my van? Okay, those ribs, that picture was like, it was like $40. And then I went back like 10 years later when Getty bought the website, and that picture's now like 400. So I said, forget this place, man. Getty just jacked all the prices up. It's not affordable. Let me show you a place that's affordable to get pictures and video and audio and graphics. Let's share my screen. Okay, let's go to Pond5 website really quick. All right, this is Pond5. Let me expand this full screen. This is Pond5's website, all right? And you have everything from look up your footage to music to After Effects and more. You got different plans. You got to purchase credit though. I don't know if they take money or not. You may have to buy credits and spend credits. I think that's a way to not, I think that's a system they do to avoid paying taxes, because you can't legally tax anything digital that you buy. So they sell you credits digitally. So anyway, here's your choices. You can hit footage, see the drop down here on the search bar. Footage, music tracks, sound effects, After Effects, photos, especially if you're doing a YouTube channel. This is really, really valuable. Illustrations, Photoshop stuff, 3D stuff. So let's start with footage. I need a chef cooking. Let's say I'm doing a video. I need to show a chef cooking. Chef cooking. There we go. Now, you hit the search bar, wait for it to come up, and you're going to get all these clips. See these clips of chefs cooking? Now, see my cursor up here. Once you drop the cursor over a picture, you'll see the video play. See the watermark on it, Pond5? The guy's flaming up food. These are things you can purchase. These are like kind of royalty free. They cost money, but if you got to get the right shot, once you buy it, you can use it however you want on the web. It gives you licensing information on how to do it. This guy's seasoning, okay, right there. And then this guy's cooking another, it's just a close up. And then we got a ton of these videos. So let's say I'm into, let's get closer to the food. Hold on. We're going to do barbecuing. Barbecue meat. Let's see. All right. So you can see there's cooking going on depending on what video you want. What you do is you shop around, you put your cursor over a video and see what they're doing. If they're scanning meat, if they're brushing or mopping sauce like this one. This guy's mopping barbecue sauce onto the meat. That is one I would use, that clip right there. So let me show you. I need to save that. If you look here, view similar. If you look here, add to collection. And if you look here, add to cart. If you want to purchase it, you add it to cart and you do an account and everything. If you want to just add to collection, just click on that. You can name different collections. I just use a basic folder for all my clips. I hit add to collection, and you see it over here on the side. See the ribs over here, and they used to be called light boxes. I guess they're not called light boxes anymore. They're called collections. So you can mark all the video clips you want. Then you can come back to your cart, come back to your collection and see everything you want to add to the cart. Now that's just for the meat footage, okay? Now let's go to something different. Let's go to music tracks. A lot of you write me, hey Jack, where'd you get your music for Jack on the Go and Cooking with Jack? I got it from here. This is one of the places you can buy it from. So let's do cooking show. Oh, just cooking. All right. Now you have audio tracks here. that you can put with the video. So I got that barbecue, right? Let's find barbecue music. He's mopping the ribs with sauce, right? I don't know. Is that really mopping rib sauce? As you can tell, they watermark the audio. They'll say Pawn 5, Pawn 5, Pawn 5. Now, if you look over here, it's $100 for that audio clip. Forget that. I never spent $100. Let's try. I want to find one that goes to that rib mopping video. Let's try this one. I like it. It's bright. It's upbeat. It's only $20. So I would probably buy that music. Let's try one more real quick. No, I like the other one. So that's just an example of what you can do on the music side. All right. So let's say we're done with music. We got our video clip. We got our music. Now let's say I want to find an opening to my show. I'm going to go to After Effects. If you don't know what After Effects is, it's like this 3D dimensional animation stuff. It's great software. If you know somebody that does After Effects, keep their number because you're going to need them. Let me show you After Effects here. Come on. And let's do cooking, right? Yeah, we'll do cooking After Effects. Okay, After Effects gives you stuff. Like you could see that right there. And where it says food show, you see how you can write different words in there. You have the ability to change all that it says. So this shows pictures. Let's try this one. This is an opening to a cooking show. All right. $30. Boom. It's already produced. You just borrow it. No, it's your logo. You can put your logo right there. After Effects lets you put your company logo in. Let's see what this one looks like. You just put your cursor over one of them. I guess we're not going to see it. Okay, now you're being difficult. Now I got to go to the page. So you can see this is the opening. You can use this. Okay, let's go back. I don't like that one, too dark. I want something, this is kind of cartoony. Crazy pencil, 60 kitchen icons. You got icons you can use. You can build your whole opening. Let's do this one. Cooking TV show pack, intro. Oh, that's a pack. So there's some After Effects that will give you the intro, the logo, the ending, and it gives you this little layout. You can do slideshows. You can put in what video you want. All these videos can be replaced with your own videos. So you can custom make them. Once again, keep the number if somebody knows After Effects. It's really cool how you get food show complete package. Let's see this one. See, you can buy these for your website. You can buy these for the beginning of your cooking show. You can buy them for a video on your web page. You're trying to build a video. Let's see here. See, so you can do whatever you want. So that's for both sexes. There was male and female in that. So anyway, After Effects is crucial. That's when the end of my show would say, give me entertainment at the very beginning, and it would go, or look at my logo right now in the video. Go to the Cooking with Jack show, and you'll see, well, let me show you my logo. So you can see right here that that's an After Effects. And this is the place to purchase it. This is Pawn 5. They do footage, music, sound effects, After Effects, images, 3D models. So if you're doing like a pamphlet or an advertisement, they've got every image you could imagine. Okay? It's just crazy how much is in here. It's all like, normally I never found anything more than $100. Usually it's $20 here, $40 there. It's not too expensive, very affordable. The library is just huge. I've never left Pawn 5 since I've been using it. I really like Pawn 5, and I support it. They're not a sponsor, but I'm just sharing this website with you because I have to tell you, they have it all here. You can produce some great video work or some great print ads or whatever right here at Pond5. Well, that's it for this week's episode. Check out the website more on your own. Fall in love with it like I did. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.